Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you guys how you can find and delete all viruses on your iPhone. So the first thing is to simply remove website data. So you'll have to get to the settings for that. And from here, you can scroll all the way down, tap on apps, and from here, search for Safari. Simply tap on Safari and open the settings of it. And from here, scroll all the way down. You can see the option of advanced, tap on it, and then tap on website data. So after doing that, here you can get the option of remove all website data. Simply tap on it and then tap on remove now. So what this will do is simply remove all of your website data, and if there are any kind of threats or viruses on your phone, it will also remove that. So the another thing is to simply open your Files application on your phone. And after opening your Files application, here tap on Browse right here and then tap on My iPhone. So after doing that, here you can see these are all of the folders that is currently on your phone. If anything sounds very suspicious to you, you can simply delete it by tapping on the three dot bar that you can see right on the top right corner right here. After doing that, tap on Select. And after doing that, you can simply tap on Select All and you can deselect the files that you are familiar with. Just like this, here you can see only this particular file is suspicious to me. So I'm going to select this one and then tap on this trash icon that you can see right here. So after doing that, here you can see we have successfully deleted this file or any kind of suspicious file that might contain any kind of virus or threats. So after doing that, the final thing that you can do is simply update your iOS, for which get to the settings, and from here simply tap on General. And on General, you can see the option of software update, tap on it. And then in here, if there are any kind of updates requirement, there will be the option of update now. So you can simply just tap on it and update your phone. Or you can simply tap on this automatic update option right here. And then you can simply enable all of these options in order to automatically detect any update and make your iOS up to date. And yeah, that is it. These were some few ways that you can try to find and delete all viruses on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.